Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome. Is this the first interview or second interview for you with me?
Sir, this is my first one.
Very good. Which date is your interview?
11th August, sir.
Very good. 11th August. Right. Now, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, so good afternoon, sir. Myself, I am Diona Sebastian. I'm basically coming from Kottayam, to be precise, Changanasheri. I come from a family consisting of 4 members. My father is a government employee. He currently works in Kerala Revenue Department. My mother is a homemaker, and I have a younger sister. She just completed her bachelor's degree. I completed my post-graduation in mathematics from MG University and did my graduation on the same from the same university. I also did a bachelor's in education from the from NSS Training College in Kottayam. It's under the MG University. I completed my bachelor's degree in education with a CGPA of 9.9 out of 10 and post-graduation with a CGPA of 3.55 out of 4 and graduation with a CGPA of 9.59 out of 10. And I just completed my bachelor's degree right now.
Have you mentioned about your education degree in the application?
Sir, I have just mentioned about my post-graduation and graduation. I haven't mentioned about bachelor's degree. In a B.Ed, B.Ed. Okay, I haven't mentioned about it.
You have not mentioned. Please don't tell about it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Do not tell about it. Otherwise, they will ask why you should not go as a teacher.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And do not tell briefly about the marks, like post-graduation marks alone, you tell that is sufficient.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, sir.
Very good. What is your father?
My father is a government employee. He works in Kerala Revenue Department.
Mhm. What is the job of a Kerala Revenue Department?
Sir, actually, there are a few departments under Kerala Revenue, which are village officers, taluk officers, and some other offices. My father currently works in village office. They usually involves in the process of payment of taxes from the public, including land revenue, land taxes, and building taxes.
Payment or collection?
Collections, sir. Sorry.
Very good. Very good. Very good. That's right. Now, see, your any relative of yours is working in Federal Bank?
So one of my relative have been working for a long since in Federal Bank, and he already retired as a manager from the Kottayam zonal. I was inspired by him to a large extent.
Good. So, what do you think is the job role of probationary officer?
According to me, the probationary officer should have a good leadership quality. He should manage the complete branch. He should manage the workings of the bank clerks appointed in the branch. He should supervise the deposits and lending of loans in the bank, check management, money flow in the bank, etc.
You have not seen the job role given in the material I have provided. See,
Sir, I just went through the. I only got the material yesterday night, so I was not able to prepare very well.
so that in that it is given that the most important job of a bank officer, I mean, as per their this thing, is acquisition of customers.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So you kindly go through that thoroughly.
Okay, sir.
Because not that what you told was wrong, it is correct, but you have not covered full points.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll show it to you. Just
okay.
a minute. Why have you not come to us earlier?
Sir, I was busy with my B.Ed course. I was managing. It was very difficult for me to manage B.Ed course and simultaneously the bank exam preparation. So I was watching YouTube videos, but I was not able to find a time for personal mock interview.
No problem. Not a question of mock interview, but I am telling about your preparation.
Sir, I was attending YouTube classes, but I haven't gone through the article. I was not aware about the article.
See, Are you seeing it?
Sir, it's not. I am not able to see it, sir. Sir, it's okay.
Please read
Stop.
quickly. Only
Roles
first few 2-3 lines of that paragraph.
Okay, roles and responsibilities. First one, customer acquisition, business survey, augmentation of para-banking income, and assisting the team in achieving all the best business targets of the bank. Second one, front and customer facing role to meet the expected standards of external and internal customer service rendered by the branch by ensuring process standardization, timely service, inculcation of customer-centered culture and strong operational controls in accordance with the quality standards of the bank. Next one, providing financial solution to customers to find an appropriate banking product as per their need and requirement. Handling retail operations of the branch, for example, sales and or processing of liability and asset products, etc.
Working towards
achieving the business targets of the branch as well as the assigned individual.
Sufficient. Go to the next one.
Assisting in digital transformation by promoting various digital products offered by the bank among the customers. Liaison with the senior official or peers of the branch and ensure that day-to-day operations of the branch are well executed diligently. Adhering and
complying.
Complying with various audit and quality norms or standards of the bank. Develop a learning attitude for self and motivate others by consistently updating with various policies of the bank and trends emerging in the global financial market. Learn people and management. Any other works allotted from the time to time.
This one you don't have to tell. This is not required. Learn people management. That alone will do. Could you understand how nicely it is presented here?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So you go through the materials also. Prepare seriously. Sir. Now I will ask you. Now please tell me about the different deposit products of Federal Bank.
There are certain insurance schemes in banks. There are different types of deposit accounts in the bank. Okay. Then, so that's all I know.
Why you have not gone through the Federal Bank website?
Okay.
Did you go through the Federal Bank website or not?
Yes, sir. I have gone one, but I haven't gone through the deposit schemes in Federal Bank.
Oh, Federal. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Federalbank.co.in. Okay, I want to ask not very tough questions. At the same time, these are simple ones. Now, can you tell me how will you help a customer open bank account? What are the documents you will ask for from him?
To open a bank account, we need, in particular, we need two documents, proof of identity and proof of address. For proof of identity, any of the following documents, for example, UPI issued Aadhaar card or voter's ID or driving license or passport can be used as a proof of identity. And proof of address. These documents can also serve as a purpose of proof of address except the PAN card. Okay.
Correct. See, when you go through this, you will get the names of deposits like this, but everything you don't have to tell. But you must tell a few. First, simply say savings bank account and one or two savings bank account. Then tell current account, then fixed deposit, then recurring deposit.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you tell me what is the difference between fixed deposit and recurring deposit?
For fixed deposit, we deposit a certain amount. A customer deposit a certain amount for a fixed period of time. But in the case of recurring deposits, we repeat the process of depositing a certain amount in a particular period of time.
We deposit we deposit a similar amount every month, and at the end we get the amount remitted by us along with the interest.
Okay, sir.
What do you know about RBI?
RBI is the Central Bank of India, which is known as the Bankers of Bank. All the non-commercial, commercial banks of India works under the Reserve Bank of India. The headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, that's also.
Why? Why? The most important functions like bankers to government, foreign exchange authority, note issuing authority, monetary policy committee.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is the news regarding monetary policy committee?
Monetary Policy Committee. Sorry, sir.
Why 2 days back only the rates were revised? No?
Okay, sir. Yeah. The few rates are reversed. Repo rate is reversed to 3.40, 5.40. Reverse repo rate is currently, I think, 3.35, and SDR is 5.15. Bank rate is 5.65%.
Good. And MSF also
And
5.
monetary
MSF also 5 points.
5.6.
Yeah. Why you got tensed immediately? Suddenly you got tensed. You are answering very confidently, but on answering one or two questions wrongly, you are getting tensed. No need for that. You need not answer every question correctly. Even if you answer 60% questions with confidence, we will give good marks. I was about to give you excellent marks, but then suddenly one or two questions mistake, then you start.
Sir, actually, I am coming from a mathematics background, so I am not. I don't have good knowledge in economics and banking awareness. So I am always tensed when hearing about banking questions. So when it comes to general questions, I am okay, but when it comes to banking questions, I will become a little bit tensed. I don't know why.
No.
Because I know I have
First,
clear-cut knowledge there.
you say that you like it, and in fact, simple BSc girls, they join bank, they complete JAB exam within 6 months. Trishur girl,
Yes.
Aparna is her name.
Yes, sir.
How nicely they were able to do it. You can do it. It is not tough. Very good.
Okay.
What is the expansion for IRDAI?
IRDAI.
Insurance Regulatory
Sorry,
Development.
sir, I am not getting.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Okay. Now, why we should give you preference?
Sir, I do possess a good communicative skills and mathematical aptitude. Be coming from a mathematics background, I am confident in my mathematical skills and reasoning skills, which would be very beneficial for a bank manager or a probationary officer. I also have a good leadership quality, which would help to. Uh, which would help my team to succeed in which would help my team working skills, and I could manage difficult situations, stressful situations in a very calm and quiet manner. And I also do my works and assignments in without any procrastination. So I think I would be a good choice for your bank.
Please tell me names of 2-3 ministers from Kerala state government.
Sri Pinarayi Vijayan is the Kerala Chief Minister. Sri Rajan is Kerala Revenue Minister, and B. Shivankuti is the Kerala Education Minister.
Who is the Finance Minister?
Finance Minister. Oh,
some Balagopal Menon something.
Okay.
Somebody. Then who is the Health Minister? Some lady.
Sir, I know her name, but currently I forgot. I just watched her face now. Okay.
1 minute. Kerala Health Minister. Kerala Health Minister Shailaja, na?
No, sir. Shailaja was a former health minister. New lady. She's a physics graduate.
Veena George.
Yes, sir.
Mrs. Veena George. Next, Kerala Finance Minister is Balagopal.
Okay.
No, K.N. Balagopal. K.N. Balagopal. Okay, very good. Excellent. You are answering very well. You are answering with confidence. But
Okay, sir.
read the material. When is your interview? 11th only.
11, sir. 9:30 a.m.
From now,
Mm.
you should read every day 12 hours. Prepare seriously. Apart from attending 9 o'clock class with us, or
Okay,
watching
sir.
some of the videos. Prepare very well. You will succeed. God bless
Okay.
you.
Okay, sir. Can I have one more class with you on the coming days? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
You can have it on 10th. That is day after tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because
Okay,
your
sir.
interview is going to be in the same place. Now you are not going out of place.
No, sir. It's almost 25 kilometers apart.
Only,
It's not a
only,
distance for me.
only 25.
Okay.
Then I will have it at 5 o'clock for you, or
Okay, sir.
4:30 p.m.
Okay, sir. Both are
4
fine.
4:30
4:30.
p.m. 4:30 p.m. on
Mm.
10th.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Noted.
Sir, can I
Best.
ask you one thing?
Yeah.
Should I change my communication style or language, anything else
No.
regarding?
You are telling correctly. No problem. Forget
Okay,
about
sir.
our teaching qualifications. Tell only about
Okay, sir.
BSc, MSc.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
And
Okay.
if they ask what you have been doing during that time, you say you have been preparing for bank exams.
Okay.
And have you written some bank exams? Have you written exams? No.
Yes, sir. I have been writing exams from 2018. Ever since I completed my graduation, I started preparation and writing exams.
So when did you complete post graduation?
2020, sir.
No problem. 2 years gap only.
Okay.
So there won't be any
Okay.
issue. Best wishes.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Is it okay to use this in YouTube, or you have reservations?
Sir, I don't have a problem, but I don't know whether this would be beneficial for anybody else. If it's fine, so you can share. Okay.
You answered well only. As an ordinary average person plus somewhat higher. Most of us are like this only. When we are not able to answer one question, we start losing our confidence. That should not happen.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And
Thanks.
you start reading a lot from the materials given by me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You did well.
Okay.
Today I will give you 8.5 out of 10, but this is not sufficient.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay.